What's up, guys? Today, I'm showing you how to use Claude AI to study smarter in 2026. And yes, it's completely free. Let's get into it. Just go to Claude AI, sign up with your email, no credit card needed, and you're in. Okay, so here's exactly how to use it as a student. Number one, it can explain hard topics. Just ask it to break down anything you don't understand in simple language. It's way better than Googling it. For an example, let's type explain gravity. And there you go. It explains gravity for you. Number two, it can summarize notes. Paste in a long chapter and ask it to pull out the key points. It saves you so much time. For an example, let's type summarize this into 5 key points. Let's paste any paragraph. And it gives you 5 key points of that paragraph. Number 3, it can also build a study plan. Tell Claude your exam date and what topics you need to cover. It will map out your whole schedule. For an example, let's type, I have a biology exam in 5 days. Make me a study plan. And there you go. It generates you a study plan. Number 4, it can give you practice questions. Ask it to quiz you on any subject before an exam. It's like having a personal tutor 24/7. For an example, let's type, give me 10 practice questions about World War II with answers. There you go again. It gives you practice questions plus with the answers. Number 5, lastly, it can give your essay a feedback. Paste your draft and ask Claude to improve it. It's great for catching weak arguments and grammar. For an example, let's paste a short paragraph and type, how can I improve this essay? And it gives you feedback to improve more. One thing, don't use it to write your assignments and submit them as your own. Use it to learn, not to cheat. So that's it. Simple, free, and super powerful. Like and subscribe for more tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.